For centuries, humanity has gazed into the night sky, asking the same questions. How far does the universe stretch? How small are we really? And is there a limit to what we can discover? For most of history, these questions remained unanswered. But now, a revelation has emerged, not from myth or imagination, but from the most powerful space telescope ever built. The James Webb Space Telescope, orbiting nearly 1 million miles from Earth, has captured data so astonishing, so mind-bending, that scientists around the world are rethinking everything they thought they knew about the cosmos. Galaxies that appear older than the universe should allow. Structures that defy our understanding of physics. Luminous objects that simply shouldn't exist, and yet they do. Among Webb's most shocking discoveries is a mysterious object at the very edge of the observable universe. It is unusually bright, oddly shaped, and unlike anything humanity has ever seen. Some astronomers suggest it might be a distant galaxy unlike any other. Others propose something even more unsettling, an object that could challenge everything we know about space, time, and the very nature of reality itself. But the anomalies don't stop there. Webb has detected unusual behavior in the expansion of the universe, cosmic structures that defy the standard Big Bang model, and evidence that could hint at the existence of other dimensions, perhaps even alternate universes. What did Webb really see? Why are some scientists calling this a crisis in cosmology? And could this be the first glimpse of something beyond our own universe? When the telescope captured its latest deep field image, astronomers expected to see faint, distant galaxies and cosmic structures at the limits of observation. Instead, they found something inexplicably bright. Light from this object should have been stretched and weakened over billions of years as the universe expanded. Yet it remains luminous, almost as if untouched by time itself. Its structure is equally confounding. While early galaxies should be small, irregular, and chaotic, this object appears surprisingly massive and highly organized, a fully formed galaxy where only scattered star clusters should exist. Some scientists suggest this could be a new type of cosmic structure, completely unknown to modern astronomy. Others argue it exposes fundamental flaws in our understanding of the universe's earliest moments. If this object is what it seems, the standard cosmological model may be incomplete, or worse, wrong. For decades, the Big Bang theory has been the foundation of cosmology. It describes the universe expanding rapidly from a singularity, forming galaxies, stars, and planets over billions of years. Yet Webb's latest findings challenge this picture. Among the discoveries are massive spiral galaxies appearing just a few 100 million years after the Big Bang, structures that should have taken billions of years to form. This raises a disturbing possibility. Could the universe be far older than we think? Or is it something even stranger? Could the Big Bang not have been the true beginning at all? Nobel Prize-winning physicist David Gross has called these findings a crisis in cosmology, and it's easy to understand why. Some galaxies follow expected patterns, while others behave as if the laws of physics themselves are bending. Even stranger, Webb has detected luminous objects that do not resemble galaxies at all. They existed in abundance during the first few 100 million years after the Big Bang, only to disappear shortly thereafter. What are they? No one knows. Some speculate they are made of exotic matter, primordial structures connected to dark energy, or remnants of a universe predating our own. Others go further, suggesting these objects might be evidence of realities beyond our cosmic horizon, parallel universes glimpsed for the first time. The implications are staggering. For centuries, scientists assumed the Big Bang marked the absolute beginning of time, creating space, matter, and energy. But some researchers, including Roger Penrose, have proposed that our universe could be just one in an endless cycle of creation and destruction. Each universe gives rise to the next, in an infinite cosmic loop. If Webb's discoveries are correct, we may be seeing evidence of a past universe leaking into our own. The telescope has also uncovered supermassive black holes forming far too quickly. According to conventional models, such structures should take billions of years to develop. Yet Webb finds them almost immediately after the Big Bang. Some researchers now theorize these black holes are relics from a previous universe, surviving its collapse and seeding the next. If so, the Big Bang was not the beginning, just a chapter in a far larger cosmic story. Take, for example, the galaxy F200DB045, located at a redshift of 20.4. It appears fully formed only 160 million years after the Big Bang, already massive and luminous beyond what physics predicts. How did such a galaxy develop so quickly? If these observations hold, we may need to rethink the age of the universe, our models of galaxy formation, or both. Beyond individual galaxies, Webb has detected structures at the farthest edges of space that defy classification. Small, bright, and seemingly abundant in the early universe, these objects vanish mysteriously, leaving no trace. Some suggest they could be primordial dark matter formations. Others propose they are echoes of a universe that existed before ours, or perhaps even glimpses into a parallel reality. Even the expansion of the universe is under question. Webb's observations suggest that some galaxies at extreme distances are not behaving as expected if space expands uniformly. In some regions, expansion appears inconsistent, directly challenging our understanding of cosmology. Could space itself be behaving differently than Einstein envisioned? Could time and distance operate in ways we cannot yet comprehend? In short, Webb is revealing a cosmos far stranger, older, and more complex than we imagined. Galaxies formed too early. Black holes existed before the first stars. Structures appear and vanish without explanation. Expansion may not be uniform. And the Big Bang may not have been the beginning. The James Webb Space Telescope was built to answer our deepest cosmic questions. Instead, it has raised even more. What we once believed to be a structured, predictable universe is now a chaotic, mysterious, and astonishingly complex reality. If these anomalies hold true, humanity may be standing at the threshold of a new understanding of existence itself, one that stretches beyond our universe, beyond our comprehension, and perhaps beyond time itself. The only certainty is this: our journey of discovery has only just begun. As Webb continues to peer into the depths of the cosmos, the universe continues to challenge us, question us, and perhaps, even reveal itself. Now, the question is, are we ready to see what lies beyond?